Do you want to know what kind of machine it is? It is a multi-button punching machine, and it can be used to make the one part of the genuine button. And now we can see how the machine works. Follow me, we can see this part is the materials loading shift, and those are the raw materials of the button. The material will show the model, price, and the font. And now we can see this part is the operation station. This number is the production speed of this machine. The machine can make the 125 piece button in 1 minute, and the speed can be adjusted. And this number is the total number of the button. And the next part is the detaching sub. When it detects there are more than 2 numbers button don't come out, the machine will automatically stop, and we can troubleshoot of the problem. And now we can see this is the finished product, the motor button. Do you like this metal button press machine? If you like it, please contact me. I will give you more information of this machine.